Umentri rang ba ka jilla Conrad ke Sangma ula Hiar ban Jurip ya ka hydropower powerhouse jong ka Ganol Hydel project. Ula penlong ru ya ka jing Jurip ya ka jing pentre ya ka Ganol Hydel project ka ba 4.1 megawatt hachi bragre ha West Garo Hills. Ka jing pentre ya ka ni ka project kadang ya syakmat ban batha ya ka tanat badai pek ban pentik na ba on pendep hapo ka por balabu.
I have been told that the work will be done very soon, and we should expect that the first unit will be commissioned by October of 2022, and consequently the next 2 units in the months to follow. So we are quite happy to see the progress, but we have asked the contractors and the officials and the suppliers to ensure that they continuously monitor and ensure that this project is completed on time, and the people of the region and the state as a whole are able to enjoy the power that will be supplied by the Ganol power project.
Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation Limited